Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome
of the leader,
TV, where you can get your latest
and then
news
as soon as Senator Umahi takes his oath of office, we shall rearrange the office of the leadership in order to enable all of us to enjoy our holidays. A token has been sent to our various accounts by the clerk of the National Assembly. I withdraw that statement. In order to allow you to enjoy your holiday, the Senate President has sent prayers to your mailboxes. To assist you to go on a safe journey and return. This Senate